Hi, I'm Guy Cannon,
I'm Laura.
and we met Tiffany through our good friend Rusty Lawrence, who they've worked together a long time in the real estate. Tiffany's been just absolutely wonderful. We purchased a home in Fire Rock with Tiffany, and she has been so helpful in everything. True professional. Everything that she's done has been just tremendous, and we're really very appreciative of the job that she's done with us, and we're really excited to have her sell this home.
Tiffany has been absolutely phenomenal to work with. She has made things so much easier in our buying process, and I'm sure she'll be just as phenomenal in our selling process. She's very detail-oriented. She is on top of it when you have a question. You text her for something, you've got your answers right away. So I would highly recommend Tiffany to anybody that's buying or selling a home.
Tremendously responsive in everything, and just has handled every issue, which we had some with the sellers, and she was so good at mitigating all those issues.
We definitely would pass her and recommend her to anyone that's buying and selling a home.